A very good morning, dear students. I hope that all of you are fine. Dear students, all of you know that as per schedule, your computer class is there. Before starting online class, this line for you, you can say thought of the day. All of us do not have equal talent, but all of us have an equal opportunity to develop our talents. Dear students, what does it mean? All of us do not have equal talent, right? But all of us have an equal opportunity to develop our talents. So some students, they don't have equal talent, but we have an equal opportunities. We can use that opportunity to develop our talents to show our better, right? So dear students, work hard, develop talent and show best. So let's start today's class. In the last class we have completed chapter number 3, files and folders. Now we will be starting chapter number 4, working with tables. So what you will be able to learn in this chapter? In this chapter you will be able to create and enter data in a table. How to create a table and how to enter the information in that table. How to modify. Modify means how to change. How to format a table means to give a beautiful look. How to change column width, how to split and merge cells, how to apply borders and shading to make it attractive, how to resize it, how to do calculations and how to update calculations. So these things you will be able to learn in this chapter. We will be going one by one. So let's start. First of all, Microsoft Word offers a flexible feature of presenting information in tabular form. So Microsoft Word, which is available in MS Office, when you press on the start button, that in all programs MS Office is there. In MS Office you can select MS Word, Microsoft Word. So Microsoft Word offers a flexible feature you can change of presenting information in a tabular form. You can present any information, any record in a table form, tabular form. For example, we can store data of your marks and we can prepare the result of, we can enter the marks of different subjects and we can collect them and we can arrange in a tabular form. A table consists of what? A table consists of number of columns and rows. It is very useful in organizing and representing the data in an effective manner. So dear students, why do we present information in a tabular form? It consists of rows and columns and it is very useful in organizing and representing the data in an effective manner. So first of all, how to create a table? We will be knowing that how to create a table. A table is what? A table is an organized arrangement of a text in the forms of rows and columns. The intersection of a column and row is called a cell. Intersection means when a column and row bisect each other, that it is called a cell. And Word provides a variety of ways to create a table, but simplest way to create a table, if you want to create a table in MS Word, how to create a table? You have to just click on the table button in the table group on the insert tab. Dear students, some tabs are there on top left. Their insert option is there. You can click on insert button insert tab, and after that tables group is there. You can click on the table. You can see in the picture table. Data in the form of text or graphics can be entered inside the cells. You can enter the data in the form of text, means you can write, or graphics you can enter inside the cells. So using table grid, first of all, click on the table button in the tables group on the insert tab. See first picture 4.1. Drag the mouse pointer over the grid and cover the number of rows and columns you want in that table. Dear students, after pressing table button, you can see grids are there, boxes are there. You can drag your mouse to create a number of rows and columns that you want. So after that, the table will be inserted in the working area. Now, using insert table dialog box. One more way to create a table. Click on the table button on the table group on the insert tab. Select the insert table. After that, if you are pressing on insert table, then 4.2 picture is there, because in first way you have pressed on using table grid. You have used table grid and you have dragged your mouse pointer to select the number of rows and columns in the table which you want. But in second, you have pressed on insert table option. Insert table, see in the picture 4.2. It will ask for number of columns and rows you want in that table. Suppose I want 3 columns and 2 rows. So I have mentioned that, and I will click on OK. When you insert a table, you will get the design and layout tabs on the ribbon under the table tools. After that, entering data. How to enter the data in the table? Place the insertion point in a table cell where you want to type the data. With the help of mouse, you can place the insertion point from where you have to start your work, where you want to type the data. To move to the next adjoining cell, now you want to go to the next cell, then you can use tab key or you can use right arrow key. See in the picture, first way, you have pressed table button, and after that this grids are there. You can select is that. So number of rows and columns. What are the rows and what are the columns, I'll tell you. And second option is that insert table. You can use insert table option. Right? Using insert table dialog box, it will ask insert table, number of columns. Suppose I want 5, number of rows 2. Right? And OK, I will press on OK. So in this way, the table will be created. After that, with the help of insertion point, you can type the data in it. Right? Next, to move to the previous cell, either press the shift plus tab key or on the left arrow key. It means if you want to go to the next cell, then you have to press tab button. But if you want to come to the previous cell, then either press the shift plus tab or the left arrow key. The up and down arrow keys will shift. The up and down arrow keys will be shifting the cursor to the cells above or below. Dear students, if you want to go to left and right, you can use tab and shift tab key. But up and down arrow keys, it will allow the cursor to the cells above or below. Now selecting different parts of a table. What is the cell? How to select a cell? How to select a row? How to select a column or a table by using a mouse? You have to follow the given instructions. First, to select. Second, what you need to do, action. Do like this. First is a cell. Click on the edge of the cell. You have clicked the mouse on a particular cell. This is a cell and you can select in that way. A row. Move the mouse to the left of the row margin. Click the left mouse button and drag to the end of the row. You are able to select the row. This is rows 1, 2, 3. And columns up and down, top. Place the mouse pointer over the top of the column. Click the left mouse button. And the entire table, click on the table, move handle or drag the mouse over the entire table. So in this way, you can select different parts of the table. And you can select the different parts of the table by using another way, select menu on the table tools in the layout tab. Table tools option is there and there is layout tab and you can select. So to select the text inside a cell, if anything is written in a cell, by using a mouse, if you want to select a word, then you have to double click on the word. If you want to select a sentence, hold down the control key and click anywhere in the sentence. A block of the text, drag the mouse over the text. A paragraph, triple click on the paragraph. So in this way, you can select text in a cell. Second is modifying a table. It means you can make changes in the table. After entering data in a table, you have entered the data into table. Now you want to change it. You can make the changes in the data as needed. Suppose you want one row, more row, columns or cells. So you can insert rows, columns or in cells in a table to accommodate new contents. And similarly, if you don't want rows and columns, you have extra, then you can delete unwanted rows, columns or cells from a table. How to insert rows and columns in a table? While creating and making entry in a table, you might need to add columns and rows in between. Suppose you have selected 20 rows and 5 students have joined. So now 25 students in your class and you want 5 rows to enter the data of a new students. So you want more rows, right? So you might need to add columns or rows in between, and Word provides the facility to add new columns to the right or left of any existing column and insert rows above or below the existing rows. How to insert? First, if you want to add a column, click on the top border of the column adjacent to which you want to insert a new column. Means, in the table, if you want to add a column, you have to click on the top border of the column adjacent जिसके साथ to which you want to insert a new column. Next, click on the layout table in the table tools tab. Click either on the insert left or insert right where you want button in the rows and columns group. An empty column insert in a table as per the chosen option. See in the picture. Similarly, click either on the insert rows in rows case above or below, so it will be inserted accordingly. So note is there, to insert the number of rows in a table, select the rows above or below. And if you want to select the columns, then left and right. Right, so we can insert a table like this also. Now deleting rows and columns. If you want to delete row and column, you have to select that row or column, particular row or column which you want to delete. And click, two ways are there. First is click on the layout tab under the table tools and there is deletion option is there, delete option. So a list of options appear, choose the delete row, delete column. Or you have to select the row or column which you want to delete. Simply just press on right click on the selected row and column that you wish to delete. There is the option select the delete row and delete columns option from the shortcut menu. Right. Next is formatting a table. What is formatting? Formatting controls the appearance of the table, how it is looking like. So how you can give attractive look to your table. So format. You can apply borders, you can do shading, you can add colors, anything. So formatting controls the overall appearance of the table. After creating a table, you can format also entire table. How? By using table styles features are there. So click on the table that you want to format. Under the table tools, click on the design tab. And you have to select the design style, any style which you want. See in the picture from the table style group as shown in figure 4.8. Right. So dear students, in this way, you can create a table and ways are there. After that, how you have to enter the data into the table, and how to select different parts of a table, how to make changes in that table, modifying, how to delete and rows and columns which you want to delete, and how to format a table. So dear students, read it carefully, understand it. We will be completing this chapter in next class. Thank you. God bless you.